then we're going to burn them.
Then we're gonna burn it. And are we gonna drop just the board on this?
No, man, we're dropping that whole 50 pounds. That's the thing that we may just abort and not do, if we think it's dangerous.
Are we using the piece of plywood underneath or what?
Yeah, we're putting the plywood on, plus this tower, this 50 pounds tower.
Yep.
And we're gonna bring it up 31 times 2.5. Now 30 times 2.5. That beer slows me down a little bit, I'm not with you. Okay. This is the final drop that we're going to have on this tower, which is basically the reconstituted pieces, but most of them are intact. And we're going to drop 50 pounds, we're going to drop it 31 tiers. Just down, just to get an idea of what happens to this tower here under Bazant-like conditions, where we have 31 times a weight that we know will crush a single tier. So we're going to try it. The attempt is to lift the thing up 6.5 feet and then make the drop, and then we'll examine the contents of this tower. Okay, you can stop. You got it?
Got it.
Okay, grab the cable, Tom.
Yep.
Alright, how's it look? Bags, what do you think? You're the expert at placing it this way. Just check it out.
Yeah, I'm thinking I gotta go forward a smidge to this. Right there. Inside. That's forward just a smidge also. Squaring it around. That's beautiful. In the front.
Strategy for doing this while I go pee. I'll wait until you tie it up. I think I'm going to have to get another. And where'd I put the thread? It'll be alright. God help it.
The thing turns up pretty much every time, so I'm sure we'll find it again.
Alright, let me go pee and see if it turns up. Did you find it?
The bionic bad guys here, man. I mean,
Got it. I gotta go pee.
go get a needle, get me a haystack. I want to prove something. Got something to show you. I got a little something.
Only an inch off from 6.5.
That is pretty good.
How's it look?
Point out 6.5 feet. Yeah, okay, great.
6.5. Down like a little 1/8 of an inch.
Okay, show the tower and show the thread then. Okay. Now this is the experiment that I proposed, which is carrying this all the way from the plywood down there up to here and lifting the entire plywood thing up there while Tom lifts on the other side. Obviously we cannot do that without killing ourselves. So we have a different proposal here. Instead of taking this 50 pounds, we're going to take it half that distance up. And instead of 6.5 feet up, we'll go like 3 feet. Or 3.25 feet. And we're going to put a 50-pound weight in there. So when you see the tower, so at least it'll have the same amount of weight and the same amount of force that Bazant had. It won't have the advantage of having a large tower dispersed like that, but it will have at least some dispersal of some of the weight, so we can see what happens to the upper tower as it crunches on itself, and see what happens to these lower towers as we try to crunch them. Because this would injure one of us, and we're not planning on doing that. Okay.
We've always come to the agreement no one's getting hurt today.
Can we take the weights off that?
So we'll slide this on the... You got it?
It's not through. Not through.
What does it got to... Where's it got to slide? Can you see it?
Yeah.
Here, set it down on the weight here.
It's got to come...
Okay, you got the cable? Okay, 3 1/4 feet up. Too hard and too dangerous. We'll abort and do one other thing. We'll just take two 25-pound
We're
weights
crushing this bitch.
We're using this. We're doing
and
this.
use that and just crush the bottom tower.
So we're just gonna pick up this. We're gonna just pick up the board, tower and all, and then drop it. Or just with the
Second board,
Okay, we're gonna pick up the second board.
3 1/4 feet.
Okay, well that's
It's
gonna
gonna
be.
be 100 pounds.
That's not gonna be so bad then in my book, cause. Okay, that thing's on. You're pretty sturdy on that.
It says 42 inches. 3 1/4. Right. So that's 39 and a half inches. Okay, right there, 39 and a half inches. Okay, you got it? Okay. And you got the whole structure. Show what the whole structure is. There's a 50-pound weight inserted in here for Bazant's thing. All right, you can stop anytime. Now, how do we want to do this? The only thing that matters is that we drop it at the same time.
I think we should just do like.
There's going to be a whole big tower up there. Okay, you gotta start down here. Okay, you ready? Can you go down a hair here, Tom? You may have to climb the ladder somewhere, but
This is a weird.
bags, yeah, bags, it ain't gonna work. Let's put it down.
I'm gonna go on.
Yeah, it's gonna be me and him.
You gotta have both boards, right?
Oh yeah. Okay. Actually, move it up a little. Up. You got it?
Easy, though.
I got it over here. I got it over here if he's got it. I got it here if he's got it. You got it, Tom?
You got it, Tom?
Let go. Bags out.
Yeah, you need a ladder, right?
No.
No? Okay, you're gonna go up like that? Okay.
Maybe I do need a ladder.
You gotta go straighter than that because you're going towards him with the cable and it's got the cable going cockeyed. So you gotta go back towards
Can you hold it there? Can you hold it, Tom? Okay. I say this is an abortion. What do you guys say?
Yeah.
Okay. You got it, Bags? Get all the weight, Bags. You got all the weight? Get it from him. Okay. No, I mean, get it so you and I can take it. We're going to set it back down.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
You with me? It's an abortion. Okay, we're recording. We decided that we couldn't do that other experiment without injuring ourselves. We looked at it and we can't lift 100 pounds that high on 2 ladders with our current
50
setup. So instead of having an upper tower, I have 100 pounds worth of weight. I have 100 pounds worth of weight, and we have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 tiers. We're gonna take a close look and see what damage happens when we drop these 3 1/2 feet, which is a Bazant type distance, to each one of these tiers. They probably all will crack.
Tape measure.
Tape measure.
You want this 3 1/4?
Let's make it 3 1/2 because we don't have the other board in there.
All right.
Tape measure.
There's 32, 36. I'll make it 3 1/4 because you know what? I don't want to put it anymore. There's 3 inches, 39 inches, right?
3 feet, 3 inches, 39 inches.
You got it? Okay, now you got to come over to where it's a little bit more filmable. That's what
Back
we left.
behind me, right?